Down on the farm, may I present to you my new best friend. He's called Christopher. Now, he doesn't say much, but he does have really cool hair. Do you know what his hair is made of? It's made of cress. And I'm about to meet someone who grows something very similar. Watercress is a green vegetable. You might have eaten it before in sandwiches or salads. It's yummy and very good for you. Watercress can be grown all year round, but when better to help pick it than on a nice spring afternoon like today? Hello, James.
Hi, JB.
So how is this crop similar to my cress head?
Well, we grow delicious watercress, and it is very similar to your garden cress, but there's one main difference. Can you guess what it is?
Does it have something to do with water?
It does. Other crops are grown in soil, but we grow in stony gravel beds with water flowing on the top.
Cool. Okay, will you show me?
Yeah, let's have a look. So here you can see the water's come up from underground, and it flows down through a carrier and then down towards the crop.
Okay, and then when it gets here, what happens?
Well, when the crop grows, when it starts off small, we put a little bit of water in, and as it grows, we increase the water flow. And we do that by one of these gates.
Cool. So, James, I usually cut Christopher's hair with a pair of scissors. But how on earth do you harvest all this cress?
I think you're going to like this bit, JB. Let's go and have a look.
This machine is called a picker. It helps collect all the watercress. It's like I'm giving the field a giant haircut. So cool. Now the watercress is cut, it is ready to be packaged. Today, some local children have come down to help bunch together the watercress.
OK, so we've pulled some watercress, but we've left the roots on, and we don't want to eat the roots. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut off where we'd like to eat, and we're going to make some watercress bunches.
Well done.
So we take a bunch, put an elastic band around it.
Just put it around.
Then we pop it in one of these sleeves. And then you're an official watercress buncher. Ta-da!
There we go. Good job, guys. High fives all round. Hey, there we go.
So you've all done such a great job, and the final thing is, would you like to try some?
Yeah! Well done, guys. So while we munch on some watercress, why don't you find out what else happens in spring?